In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Kalshi account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in kalshi.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kalshi. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply click on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, account and security, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account and security interface. Over here, if you're using the Kalshi application, you'll be able to find the option for delete your account. If not, over here you'll be able to see this option for deactivate your account. So what you have to do is click on it. Before you deactivate or delete your Kalshi account, make sure you have 0 positions. Also make sure you have 0 resting orders and make sure to withdraw all the funds. After you do that, click on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Kalshi account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.